So welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim your Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 15th September 2024. The first thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. The most code for today is charge, CHARGE. To get this C, you do one dash, one dot, another dash, and another dot. Then for the H, you do 4 dots. For the A, you do one dot and one dash. To cause back, let's get the H again. The A is one dot and one dash. Then the R is one dot, one dash, and another dot. Then the G is two dashes and one dot. The last letter, which is E, we do just one dot. Then you take the price. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.